就是掏耳朵的来了，成都人都知道。掏耳朵的过来给我掏个耳朵。享受的程度还是要以客人的耳朵来说，有的人掏得很舒服，有的人掏得不舒服。有的人说，一挨到我的耳朵，一摸到我的耳朵，我的感觉浑身都在起鸡皮疙瘩，是怎么回事走入这个社会，让更多人知道、了解这门手艺，让他上一个台阶，别让人瞧不起嘛。
Filipino martial arts was solely developed primarily as protection for oneself that grew to share to the family and at the same time be of service to the community. It was used during the pre-Hispanic times using farm implements, be it agricultural or aquatic in nature. Today, FMA or the Filipino martial arts is more than just a self-protection system, but more of a gift to bridge communities of protection around the globe.
The indigenous style of fighting, collectively known as Filipino martial arts or FMA, was originally used to defend tribes from attacks by other clans, or to settle local disputes. It focused on the use of bladed weapons and was taught to every member of a family, both men and women. This is before the Philippines was colonized by Spain, and under whom the practice was banned. But Filipinos continued to secretly train by using sticks instead of blades and hiding the forms and moves in other artistic expressions.
You would see that FMA movements could be seen in certain cultural dances in the country, taught to very young children. You would see that there is music, there is costumes. The maglalapik, wherein coconut shells are positioned in the bodies, that would symbolize strike points and slash points for attack. You would see paired fandangos using the lights, wherein evasive tactics and disarms would be seen. The very popular tinikling that we have, evading and putting in the footwork strategies on the beat of a bamboo could be seen. And this is very much Filipino and very akin to the culture.
Today, FMA has become a staple fighting system among the military and law enforcement units not only in the Philippines, but also in countries like Russia, Moldova, and Kyrgyzstan, to name a few. You'll also find it being used as a form of self-defense, as exercise, and even in action scenes in Hollywood movies.
With the knife, there are two different grips.
FMA has gained a reputation of being a deadly style because of the use of bladed weapons, but the art is only as lethal as a practitioner wants it to be.
This is what we call the Filipino.
Filipino martial arts is considered as the most deadliest fighting art in the world. However, I'd rather use the term the most flexible fighting art in the world because it can be as deadly as you want it to be, or it can be as light as you want it to be. Say, for example, if we're teaching women who just wanted to stay fit and learn how to defend themselves, that can be used as a means of exercise. However, when we're teaching the military, now that's a different story. Now this becomes lethal.
As Filipinos migrated, the skills of FMA have gone with them and been shared around the world.
In times of peace, the Filipino martial arts, or FMA, is a tool to create friendships and build bridges. The training is very relevant for the reason that it teaches one to respect oneself in relation to your environment and to respect your fellow human being.